Okay, so this video is going to be a simple fix I noticed on issues when copying and pasting bars to a different track. And what I mean is, as you can see, I have two clean guitar tracks, and what I want is just one. So I want to take this and bring it up here. So what you do is you highlight it, and normally you do Command C to copy it or Edit Copy, and then you would just click here, Command V to paste or Edit Paste. But now when you do that, you have all this bars and it's screwed up everything. So Command Z to redo it. So in order to fix that, we're going to highlight everything, do the Command C again, but then we're going to highlight the area that we want to move it to, and then do Command V. And that way we can make it into one track instead of having two. And I'll do it with this one too. Highlight it, Command C, highlight it, Command V. And you can see it's the same track. So now I can delete my extra track I don't need and don't want to save some space. So hopefully that helped. Sometimes doing the copy paste click and you don't have to highlight does work, but just in case if you have that big space and it screws up, this is how to fix it.